The white guy spreading HIV and AIDS across the African continent has been arrested, and this is what the government of Senegal has to say about this guy and his criminal gang. According to the news sources, that this guy is a cousin from Brigitte Macron's, and Brigitte Macron's, I believe, is the wife of Emmanuel Macron, the current president of France. And also, the man was also a former spy, according to the news sources, former French intelligence. You wonder why we are seeing what we are currently seeing when you know the French history on the African continent. The white guy, his name is Pierre Robert, and he organized a pedophilia network in Senegal. Already 14 people have been arrested who infected more than 150 children with HIV and AIDS. 14 people were recently arrested by the government of Senegal, and that is how they were able to get the information that more than 150 other children in Senegal were infected with HIV and AIDS. All the victims of these criminals were under the age of 15, which means that they are going after young boys. By the way, you know, homosexuality in Senegal is no-go. So the victims were under the age of 15, and the youngest victims was just 3 years old. Remember, the youngest victims was just 3 years old. And these pedophiles, they intentionally injected the kidnapped children with HIV and AIDS, which means that the same system that we have seen it in South Africa after the fall of the apartheid, where white people will inject black South Africans with HIV and AIDS and others ones through sexually transmitted disease by just sleeping around with so many women as they can, or men. The same thing this man was just doing in Senegal. And if you wonder, this article is also from the French news sources, by the way. They say that the man who was arrested, you know, was also in Kenya, which means that he was also spreading HIV and AIDS in Kenya as well. This is why if you also go to Kenya, you should be very, very careful, because HIV and AIDS is spreading in Kenya because South Africa is out of control. And he was a French former spy. You wonder why, you know, what France is doing in Africa. He and his gang, they will go after these type of children who have nothing or less. They will kidnap them and inject them with HIV and AIDS, or also through sex, by the way. So this Frenchman was also accused or suspected of having ordered the rape of children in Africa, particularly in Kenya, which he visited for work, or having to pay for, you know, remotely orchestrated sex abuse, which means that he will pay someone in Kenya, you know, some other criminals basically, to go and do these type of crimes, to kidnap young children, to inject them, or to have sex with them intentionally, you know, just to spread HIV and AIDS across the African continent. All of this information came to light when the government of Senegal, as you can see here, the Senegal police, you know, they have arrested 14 people. So these 14 people, they have revealed that, or these 14 boys, they have revealed that, you know, they have infected more than 150 young children with HIV and AIDS. And that Frenchman was the mastermind of everything. He was in Senegal, he was in Morocco, you know, in Kenya as well. God knows which other African countries as well. This is a disaster. I mean, African government should wake up to check each and every individual who is coming onto the continent in Africa. And majority of the times, like people like him, they will travel into the African continent with the name that we are helping the children, we are helping the poor. But in reality, their main mission there is to destroy the lives of the ordinary people. So people like him, they are very, very evil, and we, the Africans, should be very, very careful. But I would like to say thanks to the government of Senegal and the Senegalese police forces, you know, for bringing down these criminal gangs, because this is going out of control. And now let us see how they are going to prosecute these criminals who are working with him, by the way, infecting young children. And the youngest was 3 years old child. Could you imagine 3 years old child being raped, you know, and given HIV and AIDS intentionally? This is madness. But let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? And this evil